So this is a lesson for World Year 9, World War 1. We're looking at the Battle of the Somme in 1916, so halfway through the war. Battle of the Somme, massive British attack, the biggest attack of the war, probably the most famous, from the British point of view, the most famous battle in this war. So we understand the plan and the outcome on the first day. By doing that, we're developing our historical analysis skills. Keywords: artillery, the big guns; shell, what the big guns fire, not a bomb, it's a shell. Millions, bombardment, if you bombard something, you throw a lot of things at it. Destroy, concrete bunker, concrete, so liquid rock, and it hardens, it's harder than rock. Safe, rush, assemble, put together, that means. Massacre, get wiped out, thousands. Okay, let's start. What's the British plan? Well, here it is. Let's cross no man's land and capture the German trenches and kill the Germans. That's the aim. What's the problem? The problem with the Germans. As you cross no man's land, the Germans shoot you. They're in their underground bunkers, sheltering. If you attack, they come out and they start shooting. So the solution was a massive bombardment. British thought, what we'll do is this. We will put together loads of guns, thousands of them. We will collect 1.5 million artillery shells, again those things here, artillery shells, 1.5 million of them, and we will fire them all at the Germans. It'll take about a week. We will fire at them non-stop for 7 days, 24/7. And by firing at them, we will destroy the barbed wire. We will destroy the barbed wire, and we will completely destroy the Germans' bunkers and the Germans in the bunkers. Yeah? Once that's done, barbed wire's gone. Here's a picture of it here. Barbed wire's gone. And then our soldiers can just get out of their trench and walk across no man's land and capture the German trenches. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yeah, that's the plan. So, the British plan for attacking the Germans at the Somme was simple. They would blast them to pieces using artillery. The artillery would fire 1.5 million shells to the Germans over 1 week. This bombardment would A, blow apart the barbed wire, and B, kill all the German soldiers that were sheltering in the underground concrete bunkers. Full stop. Now, you really should do this plan by yourself, but if you can't, here's the writing frame. Once the bombardment had finished, the British soldiers were to just walk across no man's land because all the Germans were dead, there's no danger. And I mean that, they were ordered to walk. They were told, you must get out your trench and walk towards the Germans. Don't run. So, what actually happened? Well, the bombardment didn't work. Here's a photograph, a modern photograph, of one of these bunkers. This photograph was taken last year. So this concrete bunker is almost 100 years old, and you can see it is still intact. Concrete walls. Yeah. Here's a picture of one at the time. Huge complex of bomb shelters here. So what happened is the Germans were alive. The bombardment moved the barbed wire. It didn't destroy it. It didn't destroy the bunkers. It didn't kill the Germans. So when the attack came, the Germans just got out of their bunkers, got the machine guns together, and gunned down our soldiers as they were walking across no man's land. So, on the 1st of July 1916, the attack began. The problem was that barbed wire wasn't destroyed, the Germans weren't dead. Things were made worse by the British soldiers walking. This gave the Germans plenty of time to get out the bunker, up the stairs, put the gun together, take aim and shoot. In the first hour of the attack, 20,000 men were wounded. 40,000 men were wounded and 20,000 men were killed.